Hi guys, hope you're doing well. Welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sue Henry, back again with a new video. If you're new here, please consider subscribing, and if you're a returning subscriber, you are my best friend. We are here doing some cooking. You'll see this video on a Saturday because today is on a Sunday. We are doing some breakfast, some high protein breakfast. This is the best breakfast for you who is trying to lose weight, because once you feed on this breakfast, you won't take anything else in the day, because it will make your stomach feel full the whole day. And guys, if you've not subscribed, please subscribe, like just like this video, because it helps me reach to many people and also helps me build my community. And guys, without further ado, let's do this.
It's hard to find the reason why you stay by my side.
The first thing that I prepared was tea. I wanted an African tea on this day, so I had to boil milk and water together, and as that was boiling, I prepared my nyama bite, because I was to use nyama bite, I was to use eggs and bread. I had 2 nyama bites, but you don't really have to use the 2. It depends with the amount of breakfast that you want to make. Actually, the nyama bite is not expensive. Each is 70 bob. Unwrap it and then make smaller pieces as I'm doing. I am slicing the nyama bite as I am waiting for the tea to be ready.
And we got a lot to prove. They think we're too damaged to fix, but we're just working through a little rust. They like to say we're just young, but I know we won't give this up.
The next thing that I'm going to prepare is my eggs. These are kienyeji eggs. So I'm going to break them and beat them and make sure that they mix very well. You can use a fork or a whisk, whichever you are comfortable using. For me, I used a spoon. These are kienyeji eggs. I really love kienyeji eggs, but you can use any type of egg that you feel comfortable using. So I decided to try a certain trick that I've been seeing in TikTok, that when you place a wooden mwiko on top of boiling milk or tea, it won't pour. But guys, it didn't work, as you've seen. So guys, this is not workable. Let's not force issues. I needed African tea, so I added tea leaves so that it can boil together. So on this first pan, I'm going to use it to make my nyama bite, because I need it crispy. That's why I placed some little bit of oil. Don't put so much, just a little is enough.
A new dance, I wear out my 3rd-second chance. You take my breath and I can't get it back. Might be time for me to face the facts. The best me is.
After you place all your nyama bite in the pan, keep on turning it so that it doesn't burn. We just need it crispy.
Get it back. Might be time for me to face the facts.
And guys, that's it. The nyama bite is ready. Put that aside. Use another pan to prepare your eggs and bread. Don't place so much egg in the pan, because you just need a little to apply on the bread and also to cook the bread together. Then remember to turn over the bread just immediately you place them on the egg, so that it doesn't tear the egg. And then once the one side cook, lift it up and cover the other side of the bread, as you can see. Then place the nyama bite on the side that is not covered by the egg.
It's you and
You can put as much as you want and then cover it with cheese. Wrap it with the other side, as you can see. The first bread and egg is ready. It's that easy, guys. Then for the second one, don't forget to place some oil on the pan. and then the same procedure continues. For me, I don't mind the shape of the egg, so I just place my bread. Anyway, I'll just eat the bread. The egg won't be even. The shape of the egg doesn't matter, I mean.
We were just young, but I know we won't give this up. Sometimes I lose my mind, and some days it's hard to find the reason why you stay by my side. You and I break our hearts.
I had to interchange these pans because I noticed the first pan was not working as I would wish, but this one is a bit smaller. Your breakfast doesn't have to be boring. When you have time, just make something for your family and enjoy together, right? And guys, don't forget to subscribe if you've not subscribed. And thank you for having you this far. Thank you for watching the video until now. Remember to subscribe. It really supports me and I really appreciate it, guys. And guys, if you love more of this content, just comment below, let me know, because I can do more of these breakfast ideas. And guys, don't forget to like the video because it helps me reach many people and also helps me build my community.
Song, but brand new dance. I wear out my third second chance. You take my breath and I can't get it back. Might be time for me to face the facts. The best me is with you, but I know I got a lot to prove. They think we're too damaged to fix, but we're just working through a little rust. They like to say we're just young, but I know we won't.
I also prepared some sausages. I usually use this pot for making my sausages because it usually prevents the most splashing of oil when cooking the sausages. And guys, before I finish cooking these sausages, I'm going to show you how you can preserve your sausages once they remain in the pack when you can't cook the whole pack. So stay tuned for that. So, and also I usually always poke my sausages to also reduce the splashing of the oil when cooking the sausages. I don't know if you usually cut them to separate them, or for you place them in the cooking oil just as they are. For me, I usually separate them. And then guys, how do you check if your oil is hot enough for the sausages? I usually place a fork inside the cooking oil, and once I hear that sound, you know that your oil is hot enough to cook the sausages. Yes.
But we're just working through a little rust. They like to say we're just young, but I know we won't give this up. Sometimes I lose my mind, and some days.
As my sausages cook, I'm going to prepare the rest that I remained with so that I can be able to preserve them for the next cook. So I usually separate mine.
Just to see if I'll put them back, no matter what they try.
Like so, and I usually separate them with the number that I'm going to prepare next. If I'm going to prepare 4, I separate them in 4s and I pack them in 4s, and then I wrap them using a cling film. Once I wrap them using a cling film, it means I'll just get the 4 and cook them at once. Because when you return them in the pack that you had opened and put them in the freezer, they are going to be soggy the next time that you're going to be cooking them. So you can also not separate them. You can choose not to separate them if you don't want to, and then just put the number of sausages that you want to prepare next and just wrap them as you did for the first one, as you did to the first one, I mean.
Same song, but brand new dance.
And that's it. It means when cooking the next time, I'm just going to remove the one pack of those, and my sausages won't be soggy. They will be still firm to be cooked. Yeah, that's a hack for today.
They think we're too damaged to fix, but we're just working through a little rust. They like to say we're...
By the way, guys, for this cling film, I've been having it since last year December, 2020 December, and now we are almost going back to December again, a whole year, and this cling film is still ample. So guys, this is a way of saving. If you use so much cling film in your home and also the aluminium foil, it's always advisable for you to buy this ample one, because it will serve you the longest. Even you will not believe it. Just try that and thank me later. So my sausages are ready now. Are packed and ready to be preserved for the next cook. So guys, the next thing that I warmed was my baked beans. For me, I usually avoid warming my food with microwave as much as possible, as much as I can. So I usually warm them with a cooker, as I'm doing, in a pan.
Working through a little rust. They like to say we're just young, but I know we won't give this up. Sometimes I lose my mind, and some days it's hard to find the reason.
And guys, my yummy breakfast is ready. Look at this, guys. You all welcomed for my breakfast. Please come we feed on this breakfast, because it's so yummy, it's so sweet, it looks awesome. It just came out the way I wanted it to look like. And guys, I'm sure this is so sweet. I'm sure I'll be full for the whole day, as in the whole day. I'll be so full. And guys, now this is the end of the video. If you've not subscribed, let me remind you to subscribe. Let me give you 3 seconds to subscribe, and I start with 3, 2, 1. I hope you've subscribed, guys. Yeah, it's absolutely free. It's free of charge. Please subscribe. If you want more content like this one, more cooking, more breakfast ideas, just comment below, let me know, and I have more in store for you. And guys, until the next one, peace, and don't forget to take care of yourselves. Hata kama kafi imeliftiwa, tafadhali tuvae mask. Don't shake hands. Hata kama kafi imeliftiwa, it doesn't mean COVID is not there. Keep taking care of yourselves. Keep observing COVID-19 guidelines. Sawa. So let's meet in my next video. Bye bye.
But I know I got